Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by preparing the device and initiating the update. First, plug the iPhone X into power or confirm battery is at least 50%. Once charging, make a current backup to iCloud or to your computer via iTunes/Finder so you can restore if needed. Then, free roughly 2 GB by offloading apps or moving photos to iCloud. This prevents failed downloads. When ready, open Settings, tap General, then Software Update to let the phone check for the latest build. You'll now download and trigger installation. Tap Download and Install, then enter your passcode when asked. This authorizes system changes. While the update downloads, avoid large streaming or downloads on the same Wi-Fi to keep speed steady. Once the download finishes, the phone will verify the update and prepare the update files. This can take several minutes. Make sure the iPhone stays connected to power and Wi-Fi. Once prepared, you'll see Install Now or Schedule Tonight to let the phone update automatically. You'll complete the process and confirm success. Tap Install Now. The iPhone will restart, display an Apple logo and a progress bar. Do not disconnect power. When it finishes, unlock and review settings, right arrow general, right arrow about to confirm the new software version and check storage. If something goes wrong, restart the iPhone and attempt the update again. If it still fails, connect to a computer and use recovery mode via Finder or iTunes to reinstall iOS. One key tip: always maintain a recent backup before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.